Hello guys, so I'm going to show us how to qualify or how to interact with SEI TestNet. Okay, so you can be able to qualify for the SEI airdrop. This is not SEI this time around, this is SEI. Okay, so you need this browser, this Mrs. browser. You come to Play Store or Apple Store, download it. Okay, when you download, you open it up. When you open it, it's going to be something like this. So when you get to this point, the next thing you need to do is to okay, sorry, it will not be like this at first. When you download the wallet, when you download the browser, you need to add Kepler. You need to add this wallet. Okay, but so how do you get there? How do you add it? You click on more here. So when you click on more, you have to locate Cosmos ecosystem. Okay, you need to locate Cosmos. We'll scroll down. We're looking for Cosmos now. See Cosmos right here. This Cosmos, and this is Kepler. Okay, this Kepler wallet. So you need to tap on it and then sign up on it. When you sign up, you create your wallet. Okay, when you're done creating your wallet with that Kepler, it's going to be like this. So the next thing you need to do is to open a new tab. Remember to open a new tab now. Open a new tab. When you open a new tab, you enter this site, trade.vortexprotocol.io. okay, this is the next thing that you need to do. When you come to this point, is to show you to connect your wallet. So you need to click on connect wallet. You click on I understand the risk. You continue. Now it have detected our Kepler wallet. Okay, so you need to tap on the Kepler. So the Kepler is connected now. So when you go back to the Kepler wallet now, you now need to tap on this icon here. You tap there, you scroll down. Now you see this SEI Atlantic 2, because when you install this wallet at the initial time, you will not see this SEI Atlantic 2, but you need to do this like we did now for this option to appear. When it appears, you tap on it. Now when you tap on it, the next thing you need to do is to get our testnet faucet, okay, that we can use to interact with the protocol. So for us to do that, you need to open a new tab. Now I'm going to drop all this link in the description box. Just follow them one after the other to be doing it. Okay, so you need to open a new tab and enter this app.seiwork.io. okay, so when you come here, you need to connect your wallet. You choose the Kepler wallet. Now you need to click on autofill. You see this autofill right here, tap on it. Your wallet address will be filled automatically. You need to click on next. Now you need to say I am a human. You need to do the verification. Okay, so as I'm doing it, that's the same way we're doing it. So you pick, they say image containing potato. So we look for potatoes. I hope you are right. Look for potatoes. Verify. Okay, so we are verified. Now we click on request SEI. So you say your request has been added to the queue. Okay, so we have to wait. It is confirming. Okay, so you can now come back to this place to monitor, to know when your testnet faucet to enter here. So when it enters here, what next are we supposed to do? So guys, when it arrives, you need to come back to this place and click here. You see that 3 lines. Now you need to click on staking. Now you choose a validator. Okay, guys, you have to do this like up to 25 validators. Okay, like me, I think I have done like 4 validators. 1, 2, 3. I've done 4 validators. Let me do another validator to show us. My balance is 0.04 SEI. So we are staking. Let me stake 0.001. Let me delegate. Now we are paying the gas fee. Now for it to be faster, you need to use this high, but you pay higher gas fee. Okay, so I need to approve. So delegation submitted. So you need to do it up to 50 validators. Now when we go back to our wallet, you see that the amount of SEI that we have here have to actually reduce, because they will collect they will deduct. You see it have reduced. So when you're done with this one, you come to this particular one, testnet.sparrowswap.xyz. I will still drop the link in the description box. Okay, when you get it, you need to click on enter the app. Now I'm not going to do much here because I don't have enough testnet token. So what you need to do here is to do some swapping. When you do some swapping, you come to pool. Okay, you stake some of the SEI here. You come to stake as well, you also stake. Okay, that is what you need to do here. So when you are done with this place, I think you have almost completed the whole step. Then from time to time you can be coming around to do this thing. Okay, now this one is the treasure part. They say seinetwork.io/treasure. When you come here, you need to connect your wallet and then claim some of the treasures they are going to give. Although me, I have not claimed yet, but you can try it to see if you can claim. Okay, so that is it for this particular airdrop. I know there are some things that I missed, but if you can be able to do these ones that I just show us right now, I think you have done almost the whole thing. Okay, so always continue to claim some faucet tokens so you can be able to be participating in all these things. So for now, I don't want this video to be long. You can ask a question in the group, guys. So take care, guys, and have a wonderful day.